Hello, my name's Anna from LNT. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll look at how to successfully present a Renaissance literary prose work. We'll look at Thomas More's Utopia from a range of literary elements. It may appear to be a hard task, but we will break it down into smaller sections so that the activity will become easier. Other additional literary aspects will be covered in later videos, like the genre, the structure and plot, the characters, the setting and the themes. If you're new here, be sure to click the subscribe button, it's free. Let's begin with today's video and work our way through the first section, the title explanation and the sources of inspiration for this work of literature. Thomas More invented the term Utopia, deriving it from Greek. U stands for no. Topia comes from topos and means place. The Greek term topos indicates a pleasant location. The term alludes to a location that doesn't exist and has become a synonym for ideal society through time. We may assume that Plato's laws was important in terms of inspiration for Utopia. Plato's book is a discussion on political philosophy between three old men, an Athenian, a Spartan, and a Cretan. These men are working on the constitution for Magnesia, a new Cretan colony. Well, that's all for today. I hope you find the information in this video useful. In the following video, we'll go over not only the genre, but also the structure and plot of Utopia. Please visit the website for further details. A link is provided for you in the description box below. I'll see you next time.